Hey everyone, you are watching Flutter with Alan, and today we are discussing about Dart fundamentals. In the previous lecture video, we will discuss about what are functions in Dart. Okay, in this video, we just go through what are positional parameters in Dart. If you not to see what are actual functions, just go through the previous video. Okay, so let's dive in our core topic, positional parameter. So firstly, I like to define void main function at here. So I will be defining void main function at here. So in positional parameters, I will be writing my code by using function. So I will be defining another main function at here by using a map data type. So I will be defining a map at here, and I will be given a map name as variable name as user details or user data. Okay, so inside of these brackets, I will be defining what are the actual type of data we have to be given by using I firstly write name. So name is a character type, so I will be defining string at here first, string, and I will be given name. Okay, next I like to define age. Okay, so I will be first define int data type at here, age. Next, gender. So the gender is true or false. If I will be given Boolean data type. So inside of the Boolean data type, we have only either two things, true or false, either true or false. So I will be giving a value gender at here. Perfect. So next data type I like to define at here standard of a candidate. Okay, so I will be given a candidate details, candidate name, candidate age, candidate gender, and I will be defining candidate standard. So standard is actually as I like to define in int type. So and I will be given the value as integer. So I will be use int data type at here and standard at here. Okay. So in positional parameters inside of the function I will be given these are the data types, and these are the data types I have to return by using the return keyword. So I will be defining the return at here. So by defining the return, firstly we have to open the curly braces at here, and I will be write return keyword at here. Again open the curly braces at here. Okay. So inside of these are the types I will be given. These are the data I will be given. So firstly at here I will be defining key value pairs. So I will be defining the key value pairs at here. I will be given a name, and what was the actual thing we have to be given at here, that same thing we have to be right. So I will be given name and int age. Okay, so and I will be given a full colon and age. Next, gender. Okay, put a full colon and this gender level right at here. Then standard. Okay, perfect. So I'll be given the standard at here. Yeah. Till the end of the curly braces, a short red mark is found. Why? Put the end of the curly braces. We have to put a semicolon at here. Yeah, perfect. It will arranged, isn't it? Okay. So I just run at here and look at the debug console. Nothing will display at here. Why? We have to print. So just I running this. Yeah, the debug console will show nothing. Why? We have to print our these are the datas inside of the main function. Okay, inside of the main function I will be defining what was the actual things are given at here. So firstly in positional parameters we have to print our type of values we have to be given at here. So firstly we have to write a map at here. Okay, and next a new variable name will be set at here. So I'll be given user details at here. User details. User details is equal to what was the actual variable name will be given in our map, that the word or that the variable name will write at here. Then open the brackets at here, put a semicolon till the end. Okay, so at here inside of the name, what was the actual data will be C. That's the data will actually we are enter at here. For example, name Alan, age 22, gender, age 22, gender true which means male. Okay, so and standard I'll be just given a 12th standard. Okay, so I'll be given values as first Alan. Okay, why I'm giving these double quote marks? Because it is a string data type. Okay, that's well because I'm giving in double quote marks. Then next I'll be given age. Okay, so age is a integer type of value, so you don't have double quote marks, just I giving 22 at here, put a comma at here. Then the next is gender, isn't it? The gender is a boolean type, either true or false, so I'll be given true at here. Okay, perfect. Then the next last but not least standard I'll be given at here, and we are defined the standard in integer type of value, so I'll be given integer type. So I just write 12. Okay, so then why this yellow color underline will found? Because we have to print this. Okay, print this variable name by using print function. Sorry, after the brackets we have to be print at here. So I'll be give print function at here. These user details will be right at here. Yeah, perfect. So I'll be run my code here. The debug console will show. Yeah, perfect. Alan, name Alan, age 22, gender true. We have to set other true to change the true to male. Just I'll be shown at here. Then standard 12. Okay, this is called positional parameters. Okay, I hope you understand well. See you on next video. Keep coding. Take care and bye.